Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you are new or you are returning, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's get right into the video. What I got for Christmas? One of the things I got for Christmas was this fragrance palette. The name of the fragrance palette is called Discovery Fragrance Palette by Memoire, spelled the French way, M-E-M-O-I-R-E. This particular palette comes with 4 fragrances. The names of the fragrances, one is called Destination Unknown. The second fragrance is called Garden Party. The third fragrance is called By the Sea. And the fourth is called Wish You Were Here. I opened this particular package and all 4 of the fragrances smell amazing. One is no less than 2, 2 is no less than 4, 4 is no less than 1 or 3. They are all to die for. It is worth the investment. I got it off of Ipsy. I got all 4 for $25. I priced them looking at the web and on Amazon, and each individual fragrance being 3.4 fluid ounces individually purchased is $25. So just imagine, this is $100 for these 4 fragrances. I just wanted to kind of wrap up the video describing to you the notes. Number 1 is Destination Unknown, and the fragrance notes are California Poppy, Grave Nectar, and Desert Marigold. The second, Garden Party, the fragrance notes are Alatromeria, can't pronounce it, try practicing, Jasmine, and Blooming Magnolia. I must admit that I do have a particular favorite, and number 2, Garden Party, is my particular favorite. But as I stated, 1 is no better than 4, 4 is no better than 3, but Garden Party seems to stand out the most in my heart and mind. Number 3, By the Sea. The fragrance notes are Sunny Doom, Mandarin Kind, and Magnolia Blossom. And last but not least, number 4, Wish You Were Here. The fragrance notes are Summer Rain, Petrichor, Toasted Almonds, and Fresh Ground Coffee. Some of these notes are, the perfume is divine. But to pronounce these notes in order to really give you a feeling and to capture the beauty and the richness of the scents, you have to purchase it. $25 for all 4 of these different perfumes, 3.4 fluid ounces from Ipsy for $25. I tell you what, it is worth every penny. It is worth every penny, and it is worth the time it'll take for you to receive it. If you wish to purchase them individually, they're available on Amazon for $25 each. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I got for Christmas. You have a great day.